Let's take a look at a new language feature for Visual Basic and C# called local type inference. Local type inference looks something like late binding, but it's actually early binding where the compiler infers what type of variable you need based on the code. Let's start with Visual Basic. We'll create a new Visual Basic console application, like so, and we'll add a function that returns a string. There we go. Now, let's add some code that creates a variable t without specifying what type it is and assigns the function call to that variable. And you can see that when we call console.writeLine, it knows that it's a string and knows what to do with it. We'll go ahead and run that now. And there we go. Now let's look at the same thing for C#. Let's create a new project, and we'll choose a C# console application this time. And similarly, let's go ahead and add the function. There we go. Static function that returns a string. And let's add some code to call that. You can see in C# we use the keyword var, or var, V-A-R, to indicate to the compiler that this is going to be a type inferred variable. And the C# compiler will do exactly the same as VB, and everything should work as expected. There we go. Avast G.